Hey, what's going on, guys? Once again, opening up a mystery box from Amazon. I buy a few pallets. There's 24 boxes on a pallet. Comes out to $37.50 a box, and you get way over that in each box. Wait, sometimes 2, 3, 4 times as much, as long as you sell the stuff. Some of the stuff is hard to sell. You can get anywhere from food, coffee, Xboxes, Christmas stuff, Halloween stuff. You name it, it's in these boxes. You don't know until you open it up, though. So let's open one up and go from there. All right, first thing we have is something white. Oh, Christmas stockings. We got Christmas stockings. Nice, nice and white.
Thousands of years ago, even if you were a city,
that goes maybe for $10, maybe a little more.
It took centuries for all.
Next item, more Christmas stuff.
Then people were inspired.
These are for wine. You put them over the.
Yeah, that's
the wine, I guess. They're gnomes, Christmas gnomes. There's 1, 2. There's 4 of them in there. Everything's usually brand new, still in a package, factory sealed. We have a watch, for a watch strap. Next item.
Use the code on your screen and get $100 off plus a free footrest.
It's metal, but something to put on your bottom of your furniture so it doesn't scratch the floor. But you would think this would scratch the floor because it's metal. All right, next item. It's a MP3 audio book. Enough about me. The unexpected power of selfishness. All right, next item. Different shoelaces. A whole bunch of different shoelaces. Next item we have, it's Easter stuff. Rabbit. It is. Like little mats or something. I really can't read that. It's too light. But anyways, there's 2 of them in there. Next item. Another gnome. This says Christmas gnome. So in a package, a lot of Christmas stuff. Next item. 4.7-inch white dog. That's what this is. Oh, this is a nightlight. I know what it is. I've had these before. They light up. It's like the moon. And the thing on the bottom is, it's in there. It's wood. You put it on top. But it's supposed to be the moon, I think. Next item. We have an avocado for your AirPods. I've had a few of these, can't sell them. Next item, this box is already open. Newman House Studio, I have no idea. Oh, Mrs. and Mr. Our first Christmas, it says. the other pieces in there. But that's what it is. Mr. and Mrs. First Christmas. All right. A few more items left. Yeah, we got Harvest Blessings. So, how Thanksgiving, I guess. And it lights up. There we go. Pretty nice. Huh. Next item. This is a cookie. This has got to be for Halloween, maybe. But it's a cookie maker. There's no package with it or nothing. Next item. A St. Patrick's Day wreath. It says welcome. Next item, we have Breck Tech. I've had a few of these already too. So this is magic. I don't know what it is. Did you make your own Christmas tree, maybe? Next item.
I got a big old bowl for
This is finger strap phone. I have no idea what this is, but it's still wrapped, factory sealed. I don't want to open it up. Something about finger strap phone. I don't know. Ridiculous. A lot of Christmas stuff and a lot of holiday stuff in here. This is ho ho ho. You put these on your throw pillows, covers.
Family, finances, and mental health.
A couple more items.
Well, it can.
What do we got here?
National University, supporting the whole you.
To everyone still crushing it when it's this hot. To those making it happen in the heat. And especially to those who have to wear long sleeves right now. We've got a Dunkin' Iced just for you.
Whatever these are for. There's two of them in a box.
With lots of tough layers to get through.
I really don't know. I've got the name of them. So now I can't even put it back in here.
Whoa, impressive. If this is the kind of security you want, you can have it right here, in your phone.
But anyways. Next item.
Let's go places.
A chicken or a duck
At Domino's, you
with
can
eggs.
get more than just your favorite pizza. You can get
I guess.
specialty chicken, savory pastas, oven-baked
I mean, I guess it needs batteries.
rolling off a crunch
But the
pizza,
eggs come out of there, I
vegan
guess.
topping pizzas as well. Carry out any two or more mix and match items for $5.99
Still
each,
factory sealed.
$6.99 each.
Blaze. Brings back so many good memories.
Next item we have a rose. I have no idea what that's for.
I've never seen any of your movies. Under good times. They were golden.
Mask.
Hello, you're here. This pipe just
Another mask.
Well, you bundled home and auto with Progressive, so you have round-the-clock protection and all like that cardboard TV.
I told Props to switch that out.
Bathing suit bottoms.
Wait, you faked this whole thing?
I knew it was the quickest way to see you.
Oh, I'm
Hopefully
sorry,
the top's in
Tom,
there
I'm
somewhere.
totally in love with insurance.
We know that's weird, right?
Well, any weirder than faking first time?
Got no carried away.
Yeah, I got everything in this box. Holy cow.
Jack, which one's your favorite?
I have no idea what these are for.
I'm sorry, what?
But there's 4 of them in there.
Come on, you know I love all night chickens.
Or 5 in there, something.
Did you just list them?
But I have no idea what they're for, what they are.
We're in Vegas, everybody. You love Vegas. I'm gonna take that.
Next item.
You love won't win it all.
Oh, underwear, a girdle or something, maybe. There's nothing on here. All right, a few more items. We got an empty bag.
Well, expect the unexpected on Monday Night Raw. During the break, Adam Pearce making an appearance in a tag team match. Bobby
We got
Lashley and Drew McIntyre versus Theory
a
and
phone
Sheamus.
in a little house.
Between these superstars, say, hey, let's have a tag team match.
Last item.
Dana's looking on. Shane's eager to get his hands on Drew McIntyre.
It doesn't say what it is. Oh, any directions?
Brawling Brutes, of course, on the outside. Butch and
Oh, it's a
Rich Holland.
birdhouse you got to put together.
Damon with a shot on the other side of the referee. Bobby Lashley.
All right, guys, that's it.
With the shot on the other side of the referee.
I'll see you next time. Like the video, share the video, watch the video, become a subscriber. Appreciate it. Thank you.